Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to switch browsers on iPhone. Switching browsers on your iPhone allows you to customize your browsing experience based on speed, privacy, or features. You can easily install and set a different browser as your default. Once configured, links will automatically open in your preferred app. To begin, open the App Store. Launch the App Store on your iPhone. Search for a browser. Type the name of the browser you want, such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Download the browser. Tap Get or the download icon and install the app. Wait for the installation and allow the browser to fully download and install. After that, tap Open. Open Settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to the Apps. Scroll to the Browser app. Find the newly installed browser and the app list. Then tap the browser name. Open its settings page. Choose the default browser app. Tap on this option inside the browser settings. Choose your preferred browser. Select the browser you want to set as default. Confirm the change. Ensure the checkmark appears next to your selected browser. Open a link to test. Tap any web link to verify it opens in the new browser. And a change to Firefox. Import bookmarks. Optional. Use the browser's import feature. The bookmark page to bring in saved bookmarks. Sign into your account. Optional. Log into sync history, passwords, and settings. Adjust browser settings. Customize privacy, search engine, and appearance as needed. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.